perfect blueberry ice cream, nice and cheap. Come with me, I'll show you how to make this. Blueberries are really expensive now. I mean, they've always been pretty expensive, but you can make them with frozen blueberries, no issues whatsoever. Super simple recipe. We're going to take 100 grams of frozen blueberries. And we're going to put that on the hob just gently because we're going to just simmer it down a little bit so they've completely defrosted and reduced that water level back down. So while that's doing that, let's get the rest of our ingredients going because this is nice and easy, this one. We need our milk and our cream. What do we need? We need 300 grams of milk, and to that we're going to add 420 grams of cream. As always, cups on the screen at the same time for those that want them. And into that we are going to add in 55 grams of skim milk powder, 35 grams of corn syrup, and then our sugar. It is 130 grams of sugar. Into our sugar, we are going to add 1.5 grams of stabilizer. I am going to use an off-the-shelf stabilizer from Special Ingredients, not affiliated. Just have a lot of it. So 1.5 grams there. And we're going to take a little mini whisk and stir that together like so. And we are just going to put that in with the rest of our ingredients like so. And this now goes on the hob. So as the blueberries start to come up to a boil like this, we want to, with a silicone spoon, just crush them down. We don't really want any whole blueberries in here, but I'm quite happy to have the blueberry parts. But what we want to make sure is that the reduction starts to take place, and for that what it means is we're trying to just boil off, which is all this smoke here, we're trying to boil off the excess water, or at least some of it. Frozen anything has got a lot of excess water in it. So we're just going to leave that for a couple of minutes, and whilst that's doing that, let's turn the heat on for our ice cream. We're going to just stir all this together. Because the corn syrup's in there, you're going to hit a mass of sticky goo down the bottom. Just keep stirring it, and that bottom heat will bring that up to temperature, and everything will come together really nice and quick. So now our blueberries are coming to a stage, and what you're looking for is this. So this kind of consistency. So a lot of that excess water from the freezing process has gone, and we're left with a reasonably viscous mix. Now our ice cream base is starting to come up to temperature. We can look at including our blueberry syrup. So in that goes. Get all of it in there because it's such a nice color. Now, some people say blueberries taste like almonds. My wife can't taste that. I actually can taste that. So let me know what you think blueberries taste like, if anything at all, in the comments. So with that pan out the way, move the camera over, and we are just going to continue to mix this together until we come up to 85C, 185F. Once it reaches that point, we can take it off the heat and put it in a container to completely chill down. So after the mix is completely chilled down in the fridge, we take it out and give it a nice whisk. Make sure it's completely homogenized, and then pour it in our pre-chilled ice cream machine and get that running. After about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your machine, you'll be ready to load it up. So we've got our store-bought marshmallow fluff. We're going to take a scoop of ice cream, put a spoonful of the fluff, and repeat that until the tub is full, then pop it in the freezer. Here we go, this is the next day. Take it out of the freezer, have a look at the color, all natural purple color. It's really, really nice. It smells like blueberries, it's delicious. Gotta have the bowl the right way around. And scooping it, again, you've just seen me take this out of the freezer, no magic effects. Scoops beautifully, marshmallow peeking out there. Oh, it's making my mouth water just looking at it. The texture is really good, really smooth. I'm going to zoom in here so you can have a look, and it's lovely and smooth. Let's see what this tastes like. Blueberry ice cream with a marshmallow swirl. It's kind of like a marshmallow core rather than a swirl because I use store-bought marshmallow fluff. You can use your own marshmallow fluff. It's relatively easy to make. I've done it in a few videos before, but when you can just buy this in the store, why not use it? I guess the biggest problem with using store-bought stuff is it's really thick. It's very difficult to swirl, so you would need to warm it up a little bit to swirl it through. But great color, smells delicious. Marshmallow just peeking through a little bit at the top there. Let's see what this tastes like. Delicious. All natural color, no artificial colors. Really nice texture. No discernible ice crystals, super smooth, easy to scoop out the freezer, but not too soft. The marshmallow just adds like another heightened level of sweetness, slightly different texture. And actually the stickiness of the marshmallow in your mouth just maintains that flavor for a little bit longer. Frozen blueberries, or as I call them, bloobs. Perfect blueberry ice cream, nice and cheap. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.